Named one of the believing sisters by the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, Asma bint Umais was among one of the earliest Muslims. She embraced Islam in its infancy, showing immense courage and dedication. Her unwavering faith and commitment to the new religion were exemplary. Asma's life was filled with significant contributions to the Muslim community, and her story continues to inspire many. She played a crucial role in the early days of Islam, supporting and nurturing the fledgling faith. She was also among the first group of Muslims who migrated to Abyssinia. This migration was a significant event in Islamic history, marking the first time that Muslims sought refuge in a foreign land due to persecution in their homeland. The journey was arduous, involving long treks across harsh deserts and unfamiliar territories. The migrants carried with them not just their belongings, but also their faith and hope for a better future. She spent her honeymoon with her husband, Jafar ibn Abi Talib, enduring the hardships of travel and emigration to a new land, only for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Their journey was not just a physical one, but also a spiritual quest, filled with trials and tribulations. Despite the challenges, their faith remained unshaken, and their bond grew stronger as they supported each other through the difficult times. The couple's dedication to their faith and to each other became an inspiration for many. Likewise, regarded as a wise and intelligent woman, she became an active teacher within both the Muslim and non-Muslim communities of Abyssinia for 15 years. Her knowledge and wisdom were highly respected, and she played a crucial role in educating and guiding the community. She taught not only religious principles but also practical skills and moral values, helping to build a strong and cohesive society. Her efforts in Abyssinia left a lasting legacy, and she was remembered as a pioneer in education and community service. Before migrating to Medina to rejoin the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, she had already made a significant impact in Abyssinia. Her journey to Medina was another chapter in her life of dedication and service. In Medina, she continued her work, contributing to the growth and development of the early Muslim community. Her life story is a testament to the strength, resilience, and unwavering faith of the early Muslims, who laid the foundations for the spread of Islam across the world. The rich and fascinating history of Abyssinia, an ancient region in East Africa, is known for its unique culture and heritage. Settings.